Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn and Suites, Inver Grove Heights. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Complimentary breakfast and free Wi-Fi access are included at the Microtel Inn and Suites located in St. Paul. Premier shopping at the expansive Mall of America is 9.3 miles away from the hotel. Top amenities like a flat-screen cable TV and a coffee maker are provided in every room at the St. Paul Microtel Inn and Suites. Rooms come equipped with a microwave and refrigerator as well. Select suites feature a sofa. At the pet-friendly Microtel Inn and Suites you will find a 24-hour front desk. The property offers free parking. The hotel is 5.8 miles from Xcel Energy Center, 9.5 miles from Skyride and 9.7 miles from Skyglider. Minneapolis-Saint Paul International Airport is 7.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.